So WhatsApp just introduced their Meta AI, which everyone has been talking about, and some have been thinking, how do I get it? What is the use? What is the pro and cons of using this app? Is it safe to use? Is it plagiarism free? And which of the WhatsApp does it support? So in this video, I'm going to be telling you how to use it and which WhatsApp it support and how to go about it and make money from it. All right. So the first thing you want to do now is let's see what this thing can do for us because it's very, very important. Number one, why I love this is the information is up to date. So we're going to say how updated, all right, are you? That's the first question we're going to ask. Then we're going to see this AI, how updated. If it is 2022, because we know Chatgbt has its own limitation as of 2022, you can see I'm an AI and I was updated last on April 18. You can see 2024, sorry. April 18, 2024. I am constantly learning and improving. You see, that is one beautiful thing about this AI. There are other AIs. I know some of you don't even know this AI. So I'm going to show you at least 1 or 3 AIs you have been using for long now, which is number one, we think, is Chatgpt. The reason we all know Chatgpt as one of the most beautiful AI, but I'm going to compare and contrast between these two, what makes them different. Number one is WhatsApp AI is all totally free. When I mean totally free, why Chatgpt? It's not totally free. You can see from the screen here, we have Chatgpt 3.5 and we have the paid version, which is GPT-4. Because with this GPT-4 now, that means you can generate images, but you'll be surprised that even WhatsApp AI can generate image for you. Even before that, there's still other options that it's very, very important, which I will show you now. It's called the Bing AI. You know, the competition have been so beautiful. Everyone is trying to introduce something very, very beautiful. And Bing AI is not left out. Bing AI, it's very simple. You have to just go to Play Store, search for Bing AI, and it's going to show you all this. It's going to tell you all this. Sorry, it's taking some time to load and due to the network. So this is going to open. One beautiful thing about the Bing AI, it supports image generation. This is why I love this. You can generate any image you want for kids. If you're into Amazon, you can generate any image you want. I don't know why I'm having a poor connection. I just have to reload this and I have that. But while it loads, let's just go back to our WhatsApp AI and see 1 or 2 features we want to get from there. So now we're talking about, we want to even forget to mention the last one, which is called Snapchat. I'm just trying to show you that all these have their own type of AI. So now if you look at the screen, that means even this had its own AI. You can see from here we have the Snapchat AI. If you are using the updated version of this, all you have to do is to just update your Snapchat and you have this. You can see from here. I asked Snapchat AI, I said, generate an image for me. And you know what it said? You'll be surprised. Let me type that, an image for me. So I'm going to put send and it's going to tell you, I can't generate image, but there's something we're going to do. How updated? This is the biggest question we ask. How updated are you? So we're going to pick how updated are you. I'm going to click on send. Then we're going to see which is say I try my best to stay updated with the latest information and trend. Okay, you can see. But WhatsApp AI tell us that I am very, very updated. I'm updated to even 2024 as of yesterday that I was. Maybe it has been launched since though. We're talking about the Bing AI, which I was saying, you can see with the Bing AI, as of Chatgpt I showed you, said we can use Chatgpt 4. But with the Bing AI, you can use it without paying. So you can see you can generate images using Bing AI. It's so simple. All I have to do is to just come in this place and say generate image for me. I'm going to say generate, let's say generate image of a boy. I've not talked about the other one, which is WhatsApp AI. I'm going to see how he can generate his own. And there are some cons about it. Generate image of a boy. Okay, let's just see this. We're going to put that and it's going to start getting all content it needs to get this stuff ready. One thing I'll tell you is, if you're not using this, please just get this, create an account with Bing and start enjoying the benefit of this. You say, I will try to create this, then it's going to start rolling and it's going to generate it. And one beautiful thing about this AI, it is plagiarism free or copyright free. Let me use that word, copyright free, because content is for plagiarism, but all this copyright free because this was generated by this design called Designer. And Designer said, according to their website, that you can use the image from here all for free. Yes, Designer, if you go to Designer website, you can see it's powered by DAL E3. That means it is totally free. So any image generated from here is free. So I can decide to save this. You can put other touches and say black and white, anything you want. And over here, if you just click on this place, you can download from here like you can see from this place. So you can just download it immediately and you are good to go. So I'll just click on download. Then we're going back to our WhatsApp AI. So don't forget, we've talked about a very important, we've talked about Bing, you can see, we've talked about Snapchat here, we've talked about the Bing as well. Now we're going to the next one. We're talking about Chatgbt, then back to our WhatsApp AI. What makes WhatsApp AI spectacular? But one painful part of this is you have to tell WhatsApp, ensure your content are plagiarism free. Yes, if you don't tell it, it's going to generate content that are not plagiarism free. And you know what that means? If you're a publisher on Amazon, that means you are a big problem. Now, the first thing I want to do is I want to say generate a travel guide. For those who are into travel guide for London. Let's just say London. Then it's going to put that. Then let's just patiently wait. It's going to start generating all stuff. But we have to check what's this content all about. Are they plagiarism free? Now you can see best time to go, the hotel, the restaurant is telling me things to do there. Then you can see. But you see the painful part of it is it's picking all this from Google. That means if you just copy this immediately, just come here now and you click on copy anywhere you can see it, maybe this place, then you are in big soup. What I mean by big soup, you can see we have the copy sign here, forward and start. It means if you don't let me say paraphrase this, you are in big shit. Let me use the word shit. You are in big problem. Your account is at stake. So what we're going to do now is we're going to become more specific and say ensure it's plagiarism free. We're going to put that there now and see what comes up. So you can see I've even generated this that is the original and this. Let's see if it gives us a link at the end. If you give us a link at the end, it's not play. You can see now this now is plagiarism. I have generated a new travel guide for London that is entirely original and plagiarism free. For you to check this, all you have to do is copy this content and go to duplichecker.com and paste this and see if it's 100% plagiarism free. Now, we want to do something very, very beautiful, which I think we should do in this is to ask this and say, generate image for me. Now, let's just say generate, okay, generate a book cover idea for this guide. So let's see what happens if it's going to generate any book cover idea or trying to do any stuff. Let's see what we have. So now it's trying to generate something that's very, very important. You can see here we have it. It's called Meta AI. Oh, beautiful. I can see something. I can see something so beautiful. You can see this is just like a mock-up. So you can say create another one. But I'm going to say something, create another one. So let's just write another one. Let's just write create another one. Then we're going to patiently wait for this to come up and we are good to go. So let's say create another one and see what comes up. Then we know if you can create another one. You can see this is just an idea. It can give you idea of books creation. You can see. So, this is totally amazing. When you click on it, if you want to save it to your, just tap on it, then tap the corner up. You can see we have this one called save. You can see how beautiful this can be. But the question is this, can I sell this image? Let's see. Can I sell this image? Let's see what it says. A very good question to ask AI. I am glad you like the image. However, I need to clarify that I generated this image using a combination of AI model and data set, and I don't own the right to this image. To sell the image, you may need to ensure that you have the necessary permission and licenses to use and distribute the image commercially. Now you can see. So let's now do something. Generate a copyright free image. All right, so we're going to say this, generate a copyright free image, and let's see what comes up. So Patiently, we're going to do this. Though I've not told you how to get this AI, it's totally simple. At the end, I'll tell you this, and I'll tell you how to get Canva. You can see from here. All right, you can see John Smith is trying to tell us, can I sell this image? Now we're going to say, can I sell this image? But me, I'm not even paying whether I can sell it or not. All I know is I can use idea from here and generate a very beautiful design idea. You can see, yes, you can sell this image I generated as a Meta AI assistant. I created image under the Creative Commons 0 license, which means I waive all copyright and related right to the image. You are free to use, modify, and distribute this image for personal or commercial use without needing permission or paying. So now you can say, let the title be, let's say the title of the book is travel, okay, let's say travel guide 2024. Then it's going to try to generate something similar to that, and we can see what comes up. The reason why I love this, it's very fast. It's very, very fast. We have something we can use. Now, maybe you don't like this. You say, make it bold. Make it bold. Now, let's see what comes up when we say make it bold. You see, everything is getting better and everything is getting better every day. All you have to do is learn the prompting you'll be using for this and ensure you tell this. Woo! You see, I'm seeing something beautiful. You can see travel guide 2020 something. Though I don't like this, you can just make 1 or 2 touches to this and you are good to go. Now, the big question now is, can you use it to generate 7 back-end keyword for your books? Can you use it to okay, is it? I've told you, number 1 is totally free. It's totally free. Number 2, you can generate image on this. But I will tell you, is Chatgpt better than WhatsApp AI? Or WhatsApp AI is better? Trust me, all of them have their disadvantages. Don't just use this to start write a love message for me and some kind of stuff. Don't just use this for writing just love messages. There should be better thing to do. You can say, make a cookbook, make a plagiarism. Always use the word plagiarism. Free cookbook for me, and it's going to just start writing 1 or 2 stuff. If you're into children's story, you can say, tell me a unique story, and all these combined together. Let's just see the output of this and we are good to go. So you can see we have healthy cooking on a budget. It generated many things. Always question the stuff. Let's see this icon here, what it signifies. Seeing this icon here is going to be a challenge, because when there is an icon, let me say, when there's an icon in an image, let me say this app, Amazon, will start tracking this icon. Anytime it sees the icon in the image, it's going to say, yes, I know where this image was gotten from. Better still, find a way to cover it and ensure it's not traceable or trackable. Good. Now you know that Meta has its own AI. How do you get it? Some said you can go and download an app. Some say there are some add-on. No. All you have to do is go to your Play Store extension, or any, whether it's Apple Store you're using, just go there and search for WhatsApp. Then when your WhatsApp comes, ensure you use this word called update. You can see I've updated my own. I don't know for business WhatsApp. So if you're using a business WhatsApp, you can as well do that and see, and you have the business WhatsApp. Ensure you update it as well and start enjoying the benefit of this. Then one thing is, immediately you've updated it, it's going to look like this when you open it. So let's open my WhatsApp and I will show you 1 or 2 stuff. So when you open it, there's some stuff you're going to see. Let's just go 1 step backward. Now you can see here, we have this first icon here, which is called Ask Meta AI Anything. And another icon here is this one here, which is called the red cycle. So you can decide to search from here and just come down here and write anything you feel like and say hello. Let's see what comes up by using the search and see if it's going to search for anything called hello, whether it's going through our chat to search for hello or it's doing anything related to it. So let's just patiently wait for it. See, it's searching and it's searching and it's searching. And you can even tell WhatsApp AI to search for a conversation for you. Search for this name in my WhatsApp list and bring this. So take time and explore the benefit of this because of time. So, but if you want to really have a chat with it, all you have to do is to just use this symbol here and you're good to go. So just tap on it and it's going to bring out the full interface and you are good to go. Now you can start writing. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, you see I've just told you one benefit of this AI. I've compared it with Snapchat. I've compared it with Bing. I've compared it with Chatgpt. Though I didn't talk about Gemini, which is called Google AI, which is formerly known as BARD. I don't know whether Twitter will bring their own, but I'm going to make videos if any of them come. So with this idea, you can make better books idea and make better money from Amazon KDP. If you want me to be your friend, you want to have at least 1 or 2 money. Yes. If you want me to mentor you, you just want me to at least show you 1 or 2 stuff I've been doing on this place. At least this is just a little money, not as good as other people, but still we can use this idea and we are good to go. So all you have to do is send me a DM if you want me to mentor you, want me to be your friend. Send me a message. You want Canva Pro, send me a message. Ensure you share this video to your friends so that they can watch and know how to use this AI. But always check for plagiarism. Always check for plagiarism. Always check for plagiarism, and the image you generate from here, ensure you compare. But still, you can use this to generate ideas. So go and update your WhatsApp and enjoy the benefit of WhatsApp AI. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for dropping the best comment. Thank you for liking this video, hitting the notification bell as well. And thank you for watching this video to the end. I believe to see you in my DM. So click the link on the description or anywhere you can find my link and send me a personal message and I'll reply to you ASAP. If there's any other feature you discovered about the WhatsApp AI, drop it on the comment section so that other people can learn. Because I believe I've spoke a lot of things regards this. I've talked about the information I told you is updated, and I told you it's totally free, and I told you it's better than some AI, but you can generate image with it. And I told you can get book idea, you can try the 7 backend keyword, then plagiarism, and I've showed you how you can get it. If there's anything I've not showed you, please at the comment section do that immediately, and I'll respond to your message. Thank you once again.